This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by John Joyner. New custom home. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a split bedroom floor plan. Laminate, carpet and luxury vinyl flooring. Upgraded lighting throughout, all LED. Cathedral ceiling in great room, tray ceiling in master bedroom. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, including fridge. Large upgraded kitchen sink. Upgraded wooden floating shelves in kitchen with wooden pantry shelves and wooden laundry shelf and coat closet shelf. Mudroom area comes complete with a custom-built bench that stays with the home. Added LED lighting to living room display shelf area. Close to Knox County and shopping. Low Union County property taxes. Buyer to verify all information and measurements. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact John Joyner at 865-687-1111.